Alright, so what's going on, guys? And today we're going to be swapping out my motherboard. Okay, so if you know this build or you are subscribed to my channel, you definitely most likely came from my dream PC build. It has over 100,000 views. That's a crazy number, but yeah, that's the PC. It is right here. I would suggest go watch that video because like I said, I'm very proud of that video. It's done very well, so if you want, go ahead, check that out. But I'm going to be swapping to the NZXT N7 B550. NZXT finally came out with the AMD motherboard, so I'm really excited to use it in my personal build. So we're going to be doing that. I'll be showing you exactly how to swap motherboards, so if that's a question you have, I got you. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. I'm going to be, yeah, I don't know, man. It's kind of simple. Alright, let's get into it. Bro, how the fuck? Dude, I've got every single clip. Every single one besides this one. Does it just not? Like, what? Brother. Dude, I'm gonna flip. Am I supposed to unscrew that shit? No? Maybe? No? Yo, I'm gonna be honest. I'm trying to do like B-roll and everything like that. Dude, this was the hardest thing to come off. And plus, this little magnet thing that's right here just came off, dude. Yo, I just unboxed it. I have to put the magnet back in, man. What? This is... Okay, whatever. Let's keep it going. Okay, gonna test it, see if I broke anything. Oh my god. Alright, so that's gonna conclude the video. Right now you're looking at the temps on just idling. I'm running a couple little things, but it's pretty much idle, and it's doing pretty good. The cooling's doing pretty decent. I know that's not part of the motherboard, stuff like that, but I just wanted to show it off and make a little video about it because I know it's new, and I was really excited about it. I think it looks absolutely phenomenal, and yeah, I think it looks sick. So I'm happy I did it, and let me know what you think. Do you like the motherboard, and do you want me to do some more testing on it? And I would definitely do that if you are interested. So go ahead and leave a comment, and yeah guys, I guess that's it. I'll see you in the next video.